I have several guests that from them, I've gained like 15 or 20 clients. And it's not always the guest that you think it is. It's not always like the young, popular girl that has 1 million followers on social media. Sometimes it's the mom that you did a mommy makeover on, and she has, 15 other mom friends who are looking for the same thing. And that's where you get your guests from. So I would say, never discredit your guests. Take pictures of everyone, post everyone's pictures, tag everyone, because you never know which one of those is going to be the gold mine. I always start with, welcome to Roots. How did you find us? How did you find me? How did you hear about the salon? And, 9 times out of 10, they say Instagram or Yelp or Facebook. So it's an easy segue into the social media aspect of their salon experience, because it started that way. If you say, hey, I'm going to message you these photos, or if I'll tag them in the post, and then they can share it, or they will post it, repost it on their personal pages, and they usually tag me. And if they don't tag me, I'll usually comment under that picture and say, hey, Sally, thanks so much for coming in to see me. I can't wait till our next session, blah, blah, blah. So then the people that are liking and commenting on that picture know who did it. And I'll usually comment under my hair page, not my personal page. That way they can click on the little link that says Demi Ray Hair and go straight to my hair page and see other work.